I was born in Detroit, 1931, and brought up in rural Michigan, about 30 miles or so north between Pontiac and Flint. I don't know that I had a large interest in science or any early aha moment about science at that time. Harvard College decided that it wanted to institute a new program called the National Scholars Program. And somehow through miracles that I have no conception of, actually, I won one. I was one of the two from Michigan. So I went off to Harvard as an undergraduate. Harvard did not have an engineering school. They had something called Engineering Science and Applied Physics program in the physics department, essentially. ESAP, it was called at the time. And that was what I had majored in. And so I got a job offer at that point from Hughes Research Labs. The man I was working for there, Dean Watkins, after like a year or something, leaves and goes to a faculty position at Stanford and asks both of the two of us on the fellowship program in that lab when we finish the master's degrees, to come to Stanford as graduate students, as PhD students in his group, and we both do. I end up being given an acting assistant professor appointment in 1956 and start teaching a course and continuing to do some research at Stanford. So now I've gone from graduating from high school to at least an acting professor appointment in 7 years, and not, well, which is a lot of fortunate circumstances.